What is up, my NYX Makeup family? Welcome back to today's Halloween makeup tutorial. In today's Halloween makeup tutorial, we're going to go over this Scarecrow. So if you want to learn how to recreate this, continue watching. If you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit subscribe if you have not already. Alright, so starting out with a life cast or a mannequin head, you want to take some cotton and liquid latex. You want to put down a nice layer of liquid latex, and you want to take some cotton balls and you want to unroll them, and then you want to start sticking them all around the life cast or mannequin head just to make it a flat surface, kinda. And you want to build up the mouth area so it kind of looks like this. And it's just taking cotton balls and laying them flat. So now you want to take some burlap and you want to cut it to fit around the whole life cast of the face. And you want to stick it down. And you want to stick a nice layer of liquid latex on top of it so that it looks like it is part of you and it takes the shape of your face or the life cast or the mannequin head. Alright, so now I'm taking some acrylic paints. We're going to take some acrylic paints and we're going to kind of add a little bit of water to them. And we're going to stipple with a stipple sponge some, like a reddish brown shade all over the prosthetic, which is made out of burlap, liquid latex, and cotton. So you just want to get a good layer of this red brown shade all around it to make a base layer. And I like doing a stipple sponge because it gives it some texture. Alright, so taking some water. This is a water and a Clorox bottle, but trust me, it's cleaned out really good. It's just got some water in it. So you want to squirt some water on top of the acrylic paint before it dries, and it's going to run. And you go back in with a stipple sponge, you can stipple it out, and it gives it like a water texture. Now taking some black acrylic paint, and we're really going to go in and make some grungy spots, some weathered spots, some scary texture, if you want to say that, but more grungy, more dirty. So taking a stipple sponge, you just want to stipple it in like random spots, random patterns, until you like it. Then you want to go in and cover your eyes, your nose, and your mouth real good. And you want to take the water again and really squirt it out and dab it out with the stipple sponge to stipple it and give it some more weather and more grungy look. Then you want to take a lot of the black acrylic paint and you really want to stipple out your mouth, making a mouth shaped, and fill in the eyes once again and fill in the nose once again. Then we're going to take some more water, we're going to squirt it out just to give it some more weathered look and more grungy. Stip it out just a little bit, add a little bit of black and brown in between, here and there, whatever you think, however you like it. You can add more colors if you want to. I'm just staying with the brown and black. Now, you want to add some little pieces of burlap and you want to glue it down. I just glued it down with some liquid latex and wait for that to dry. This is going to take about 24 hours to dry and then you're good. Alright, so let's apply this makeup. So I went ahead and this like long cape looking shirt looking thing, I don't know what you call it. Then I took some burlap, I cut a hole in it, and I'm going to stick it around for my collar, chest, shoulder part of my costume. Then I'm going to take our prosthetic and we're going to stick it on our face and dance a little bit. We're going to be using some liquid latex in this and some paintbrushes. So now we need to cover our hands before we even get started. So taking a maroon, red, brown shade, and we're going to be painting our whole entire hands and halfway up our arms with this body paint color. Then, so I'm going to apply the prosthetics. So this is what our hands look like. I also added some black on top of the brown, reddish shade of body paint. So just do whatever you want to do. Alright, so taking some liquid latex or Prozade, you want to glue down your prosthetic. I'm using liquid latex, and we're going to stick this on our forehead and on our cheek areas. Make sure we get it nice and good. If you're allergic to liquid latex, please do not use liquid latex. Please do not use it at all. Now, we're going to take some liquid latex or Prozade, whatever you're using, and we're going to stick this inside of our mask. And to make the mask stick to our face, it'll be double bondage. So I got it all inside the mask, and we're going to wait for it to dry for a few seconds. Not all the way dry, just to get a little tacky. This is the first time we are changing uniforms, so be prepared, we're going to change them a lot. So I'm just adding a little apron that has paint all over it because I thought it would go with the look. Now I'm adding the collar back on. So that's the first time we change uniforms. Now, stick the mask on and it should stay in place after holding it for a few seconds because the latex is going to stick to itself. So, yeah. Alright, so taking another piece of burlap. I'm just looking to see, I don't know why I'm looking at it, but anyway. You're going to stick this on your head and you want to wrap it around your neck. So pull the front together, pull the back around the front, And we're going to bow tie it in the front. Make sure your hair is covered up. You might have to super glue it to the prosthetic in the front, but that's okay, because you want to hide your hair, definitely, unless you want your hair to show, but I didn't, so. Alright, here we go again. We're going to be changing uniforms again and adding stuff, taking stuff off. Second time we've done this. So I thought I could put this piece that goes around my hair on first, and then cover up it with the neck piece. But, you know, I'm going to change it up again because I couldn't be satisfied. So if you're watching me, just wait to the end. I'll show you what the final look looks like and what I decided with. But other than that, yeah, I couldn't decide. See? Okay. Times 3. Here we go again. Part 3. Taking everything off. Taking the apron off. Taking the neck piece off. Because I couldn't decide once again. And now I can't even get the apron off. I'm just struggling. It's a struggle to be a Scarecrow. Okay, put the neck piece back on. Situate it how you want it. Situate your headpiece to cover up your head and your forehead. Like I said, you might want to super glue it down. But, yeah. Okay, so we're still adjusting it. Then we want to stick our apron back on over top of all of this, because I really like this look better than the rest of the looks we've done. So it took me like 3 tries to get this done, but we finally got it. Now just adjust everything how you like it. Pull your headpiece down over your prosthetic. Okay. So I think we might be done adjusting now. Let's hope so. Alright. So this is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please hit subscribe if you have not already, and leave a like down below. Other than that, I'll see y'all guys in my next makeup tutorial. Alright. Bye everyone.